Assalamu alaikum, dear my friends. I hope you are very well. I am very fine. At this time, I stay river. I am a boatman, and you can see this is a river. I like very much this river. Uh, in my past life, I visited many places by journey by boat. I hope you also like this most interesting place, surrounding place, and you can see this is nice place and nice river. I think this is very interesting, and this is a time before evening, and the sky is very nice sky, and so you can at this time you can enjoy your surrounding place. So I think I am as a boatman, I am very happy at this moment.